wonderful day. Today I just want to show you a little bit about an update what we have been doing with retail and arbitrage to get really ready for Q4. I'm going to show you one of the storage units that I started with. Actually, I started with something way smaller. I don't know if I can show it to you. Now I have one like this, which is, I'm going to show you in the back of me. But when we started with one half of it, like half of it, very, very small. And then we moved up to this one, and then with something bigger. So I kept the one like this for storage, for things that are have multiple of them and bigger, bulkier things. And I'll show you that right now. And also have the other one, which has everything, has all the Legos and everything else, which is I'm going to share with you also later. So you have here another shipment. That's another stuff that I'm picking up. Actually, let me show you. These are all Legos. These are all Legos. This I actually away, as you see, because they come from Walmart themselves. But let me show you what I have done here. Look at that. So all the stuff that I have doubles, and not doubles, more than doubles, a lot of them, I'm putting here. So remember these, they were in the other storage unit, now they're here. So I put them all together. The same thing with these, I just put them new. I have here, these are the same as these. These are the same as these, but these, they come in boxes, which is awesome. The same thing with these, if you see them. And also if you see here, I bought all the stuff. You see how much I paid for them, 25 bucks. They were 49, so half off. This is going to be really awesome during Q4. The same thing with these. Actually, I paid 59 and they go for 100 bucks on Walmart, but on Amazon go for double that amount. The same thing I did with these. These are regular 79. I paid 49 bucks, but they go on Amazon for higher, way higher. The same thing with these. I buy 7 bucks. They go for 49 bucks. And also, if you see here, I get really a lot of these because these are 79 bucks. I get them for 29 bucks. Let me see if I can find one with the pricing. No pricing here. Oh, this is the price. See, they were 29, they were 49, they were discounted 49. They're 79 bucks. They came to 49 bucks. Nobody bought them, now 29. So I got all this stuff here. And also, if you see, I have this, which is from last year, because I just need to ship them in, see what's up. I bought these. These I go on Amazon right now at 45 bucks. I paid, the first time I bought them at 19 bucks, but then I was able to find all this from one of the Walmarts at 9 bucks. So really, really awesome. Brings the average from this plus what I have from before. It brings them around 12.50 to 13 bucks, which is really awesome. So don't get, this is one of the techniques guys need to learn, which is basically when you buy something and you buy it, let's say was 20 bucks, it was a special, let's say it was 50 bucks, then came to 20 bucks and you bought it, and you bought, let's say 10 of them, and then let's say after 2 weeks or 4 weeks, they go on special again, because the stores every week or every 2 weeks, they lower the prices, and it comes from 20 bucks to 10 bucks. You feel bad, it's like, oh my God, I paid 20 bucks, now it's 10 bucks, what's up? Don't be this kind of guy, because I was this kind of guy. I was worried. But then if you be able to buy more units and then you average them out, it's going to give you a nice average that you can still make money. So that's exactly what I did with these. I bought a lot of them. Plus I have another ones in the other storage unit. I have these all brand new stock, by the way. Okay, I have other ones in the other storage unit, which is I show you. And the other one I paid 19 bucks, but these all 9 bucks. The same thing with these. These are 79 bucks. I did the same thing as averaging. I paid 39 bucks. And at one place I bought 29 bucks. So the average was 35 bucks. I was like happy with that. The same thing with these, and see here's more kangaroo. And I have these ones. I bought a lot of them at 14 bucks. And also in the back I have some stuff. And also these, they were like 30 bucks. I bought them for 9 bucks. And that's it. So I just want to share with you a little bit about this storage unit. What I'm trying to do is still messy, but I'm gonna get through it. Because look at here, we have a lot of boxes, empty boxes, which is I need to get rid of. I need to really make it nice, but I'm really busy at the other storage unit. And also I picked up this from the wholesaler, which is really cheap. I can double up my money here. And also the same thing here from another wholesaler, which is I bought them. Look, they were 45 bucks, they're 24 bucks. I think I paid 12 bucks or something like that. The same thing here. These ones, they were very good special. They were like for 25 bucks. You won't believe how much I paid for it. I paid 3 bucks for these. And you see I have a lot of them here and there. So stay tuned and let me go back to the other storage units, I'll show you a little bit more what I have done and what I have done there, because it's really completely different. See you soon. Great. What's up, guys? Now we're back. That's the second storage unit, so I'm going to share with you what's going on with this one. This one, the one that I always take videos with and everything. I'll show you what I have done. So look at that. Now, before, remember, there was a lot of tables here up to here. So now I build all the shelves, if you see, and they're all Legos. So you see, I'm not lying to you. I bought a lot. All these are brand new. All these stuff are brand new. These are the one here. These are the one that I made a video. I said the $20,000 worth of Legos, and be happy about it, and you know, make me a YouTube sensation. But this is the one which is I have put them everything in, and this all the new stock, all new stock, all this you see here from the top to the bottom, all brand new. And also I still have more I haven't done. So the only why the progress looks like garbage here and looks a lot of things, first of all, the past few days was, the week was really humid, and also I had a lot of stuff here. I mean, all the stuff here, if you name it here, I had bins everywhere. Everywhere. So I didn't have a chance, we didn't have a space, so I had to move stuff to the other storage unit that I showed you. And that's when you saw everything. You saw everything had double, blah, blah, blah. But all the big stuff there, because it used to be here, and now I put them there, which is great. So what's the plan is get more shelves. It was very hard for me to get shelves, so I get more shelves. All these are brand new shelves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus this. Now I have, we have 8 new shelves, which is awesome. So I'm gonna put shelves there and there, hopefully up to here maybe, and then I'm gonna fill up all the stuff. If you see, I still have all this brand new. The whole thing, what I was doing, guys, I was just sourcing. You see, this is empty boxes, and let me show you. This is all still stock. Look, filled up till when? Remember this? This is what I told you about. All the stuff that I did, 20, whatever, the video that we did. Look, all this are filled up to the rim. All the stuff are here. This is the same thing as I bought. Remember, I told you 19 bucks. I got them for the other ones, and the other storage is $9. And also these $7. I add more of them, which is really awesome. So I have a lot, and look, I have to go through all this brand new stuff that I need to go through. Look at that, guys. Look at that, and all this full. And also look at that. I have all the stuff here, all brand new. So I need to get through all this now. And also here, by the way, just to let you know, I have a lot of stuff here, and guys, and also here, this is the stuff I just showed you there. What are you guys doing? Nothing. Okay, and also all the stuff here now. This is all Legos, which is gonna be a lot of vehicles and stuff. So I'm gonna check them out with them. So I just came here to organize a few things, maybe build those shelves, put them out there and see what's up. So I just gonna give you a quick update of what we have been doing. And I'm telling you, I haven't been sending anything. I've been just buying because there was a lot of specials. And as I spoke to you guys this morning in our mastermind, there was a lot of uncertainties going on. So I had to buy stuff right now because I'm not sure we're gonna have enough specials going on later on, especially with all the logistics issues and the shipping, extra charges, and maybe suppliers that are not able to get enough units. So that's why. Okay. Anyways, I'll let you know what's up. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. So when I come, hopefully online, you'll be able to see stuff that we're doing for real. I'm putting my money where my mouth is. I'm not BSing you or anything like that. You see all that. It's a big investment going on here. It's not little boy stuff. But hey, we're going to do it. We're going to make it happen, and we're going to make that money. Take care, everybody. I'll see you the next time.